Dashcams have become an essential car accessory for many of us, providing a sense of security and peace of mind on the road. Recently, we decided it was time to upgrade our old dashcam, as that was no longer meeting our necessities. So, we've got our hands on this dashcam from FineVu. We've got the GX1000 model here, which intrigued us with its AI-based dual QHD camera setup and a bunch of interesting features. So, in this video, we're here to share with you the lowdown on the FineVu GX1000 Dashcam. Without further ado, let's enjoy. So, here's the box it came in, and we can see everything we'd need to set this up inside our car. It's slightly larger than some competitors, but has a sleek and discreet design. Here's the hardwire kit we'll be connecting to our car's fuse box. We also see a rear view camera right here. This is our windshield mount, where this camera clips in. Now let's take a look at the camera itself. We have the front unit here, which though larger than some alternatives, has a shape that makes it blend in more naturally when placed on the windshield. This was the rear unit, and both cameras had LED indicators that notified us when they're recording, which was particularly useful at night to deter potential threats. The unboxing experience was better than most other dashcams, with a standard pack that also includes cable holders, spare adhesives, and a long cable for the rear module. The front unit has a nice construction and a good choice of materials. The lens is rotatable, and there's a quick release mechanism for easy removal. It's a great setup for a dashcam without a display. In terms of specs, we must say the FineVu GX1000 looked quite solid to us. The FineVu GX1000 has a 5-megapixel camera, but for 2 channels. The GX1000 captures excellent 2K QHD at 30 FPS video, aided by HDR and auto night vision. If anyone likes a 4K dashcam, their GX4K model seemed like a promising choice. But for us, 2K was enough, so we got this one. Now, let's back to the GX1000. Both the front and rear units are equipped with Sony Starvis image sensors, and the chipset is made by Allwinner. And also we noticed that it maintains good visuals with a 139-degree diagonal field of view. Up to 256 gigabytes of micro SD cards are supported. And there's a supercapacitor for temperature and motion control, as well as AI damage detection, which felt highly responsive while we were driving. Plus, inbuilt Wi-Fi allowed us to review footage and configure the camera via a smartphone app or PC software. Well, now if we talk about our user experience with this dashcam, first things first, the installation was simple, and we guess anyone can set it up effortlessly, just reading the manual once. Here's a short demonstration of its installation. And if it comes to the footage quality, it is good looking, and notable even in foggy weather or nighttime, from the Allwinner chipset. The field of view is wide enough, being 139 degrees, we'd call it more than sufficient. No one requires more from a dashcam. We also noticed that the camera reacts well to light intensity changes, and most times, the automatic exposure is close to perfect. In our experience, the big advantage of having the same image sensor and optics on both modules is that they'll show the most identical quality, which is especially important for the rear QHD module. Well, let's check out the camera performances. Both front and rear cameras had 16 megabits bitrate, and for a 5-megapixel image sensor, we think it is relatively high. The cameras delivered nice daytime footage and captured image nighttime with adjusted brightness and contrast for clear recordings in QHD resolution. And also when we turned on the HDR, the exposure of the cameras was more balanced and accurate. In the app, we saw a standard and high-quality mode, which changes the bitrate according to this chart. The dual QHD resolution makes its image quality crystal clear, capturing even the smallest details like license plates with ease. Here's another short demonstration of its normal footage and HDR footage during our usage. Alright, we had another cool feature of the GX1000 that was power-saving parking mode, which allowed us an incredible 2,325 hours of recording time, and the optimized power consumption settings made this more sustainable. Just remember, actual recording times can vary based on factors like temperature and battery con. In terms of software support, FineVu really hits the mark. In our experience, the UI of the app looked clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. One more thing we would love to share before concluding this review is that when we were trying to find the best dashcam for our cars, one of the most convincing parts for choosing GX1000 was that FineVu, a leading company in the Korean market, had a challenging task with the GX1000. This dashcam seemed to provide users one of the best at its price point, and even better than some more expensive alternatives that offer 4K resolution. For us, it was a nice addition to our car as it offers cool features at a lower price point than some of the top models from Korea. Additionally, it even competes with some of the more affordable Chinese brands on the market. So, we decided to give it a try and see if it lives up to its potential. To sum up, we loved more or less every aspect of the FineVu GX1000 Dashcam. It offers superior safety and recording capabilities and great value for its price, delivering good footage quality that meets the needs of most users. While there are higher-end options available with additional features and better performance, they often come with a higher price tag. We believe the GX1000 has room for improvement, and there are opportunities for the manufacturer to add more features and enhance configuration options. So, if you want a dashcam that captures high-quality footage, keeps an eye on the inside, or enjoys an AI smart system for automatic night vision and damage protection, this dashcam is a no-brainer at this price point. If you're interested in this dashcam setup, we'll put the link in the description box for more information. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you find this review helpful. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.